Hello everyone, this is the camera that I have used. I have replaced the tailgate switch and replaced it with this camera. This is CCD camera. You can see how the view is in night vision. You can see outside it's too dark, but the camera is showing pretty high clarity, and guidelines is also working properly, but the guidelines just turns here and there, but it's not according to the size of the vehicle. You can see it's a 10.25-inch Android display, which is available specifically for this model. It's really nice. You can see the video that I have put for my kids. The sound clarity is very nice because it's using the inbuilt BMW audio system. Then you can see different apps. You can go to car menu, the original BMW screen. You will be able to use your joystick, the iDrive menu. Everything is available in here, so you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to cut any cables. It's just plug and play. You don't even have to take a power supply for the camera. It's also like by default, when you put your car in reverse, it will just turn on the CCD camera when you install it. No need to draw another power supply or take it from the reverse light. So you can see different apps, everything is available. The only thing which I did not like is that the Android Bluetooth for our phone is not that good, because you need an external mic. The inbuilt mic is not taking the voice properly, so whenever someone calls, it's not giving a clear voice. And the maps, you can install any maps. See, I have used Waze, and I've got Google Maps, things like that. Then the music system, it plays whatever we put it in USB, but there is no radio. Browsing is possible. YouTube, you can just use your Wi-Fi hotspot to play YouTube videos, things like that. So pretty good deal for $400. I bought it from AliExpress. It was really cheap, and this made my life easier, because I was about to change my car, as I didn't like the reverse camera working functionality. And this one allows a lot more functionality. You can see we can use the inbuilt camera itself, but I don't want to use it. It's terrible during low light or night vision, so I switched it to CCD with this new tailgate with camera item that I have displayed. The other thing is that whenever you put your car in the reverse, it suddenly turns on the camera. No need of time to load the Android system or BMW system. You can just turn on the car and just put your gear in reverse mode. It just takes you to the reverse camera option. So hope this will benefit someone. If you have any questions, just let me know. I have been using this for since 2019 January. Still now it's working till date, like June 2020 as per today. And the weather in his is too hot. Still it is working properly. There is a minor crack on two sides of the plastic, but it's really a hairline crack. It doesn't affect that much. So if someone liked my video, and if someone is looking for a camera option for E70 model starting from 2007 till 2010, I would prefer you to switch to this particular Android system with the camera that I have displayed, because if you don't have a camera that fits to the tailgate switch, then you won't be able to view the rear side properly. So because I have already tried that, and the tailgate switch, the rubber thing is a little bit melting type. So anyways, you have to replace it after a while, so it's better to replace with this one itself, and it's not that expensive. You can see it's only $12 or $13. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.